Okay, this is going to be a quick little overview on how I do my CVAT annotation. Just a quick little overview. First off, what you want to do is go into here to create your new project. And in here, you're going to copy paste what's at the bottom of the repo. Put in here, here's the original. Now, good. At the bottom of the repo, there's this. I'm going to take that, copy it, and you're going to copy this out and put it right in here and submit it. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to make a new project. What you do, you're going to be in here. I already did one of them. But I'll show you how to create. You're going to want to make a task. So you click here to create a new task. Name what you want it to be. This is for individual videos as well as groups of images. There's going to be start of file, because that's the start of the file. Where are these? Down here. Start area. And I'm just going to, let's click like this many. This is a good start for an image. I just need a quick one for demonstration purposes. That and then open. These 56 files, that shows you're all good. Submit and continue. It'll upload these to the file to the server. All good. And now, when you go to projects, add data, see there's a start file. Now, if you want to upload multiple videos, you're gonna want to create multitask. This will be just the file name. And then, of course, in research data, I have this empty one, this right here. Bam, all good. And then you just click submit to tasks, and then we'll upload these to the project. It might take a little while. There, videos, on progress. Gives you this every time you want to upload new videos. It's not too bad. Oh, there's one done. And then you might want to skip out here while it's uploading. There it is. Click OK. Bam. Those are in there now. These are empty. They are something to annotate in them. It's important to note that you're gonna want not all background image, but you're definitely gonna want a healthy amount of images with no bats, because that way it'll tell the AI what isn't a bat instead of what just is a bat. Now let's go in here and I'll show you how I start doing some annotation. Right, 56 frames, all good. When I click here, restart. There's nothing here, so I'm just gonna skip it. Now we're gonna want to start annotating these. Now, generally, for a rule of thumb, for what I do is if you annotate this to bat, if you can generally tell if it's a group of bats or a bat through one frame, because that's what the AI sees. It's just the one frame. It doesn't see the frame before or after. Can't tell the movement. So this, I can see there's a group of bats here. I'm going to track this one because most likely these bats aren't going to move for a while. Track will make these boxes persist between frames, while shape doesn't. This one is in motion, so it's probably just going to be a shape. Oh, I put these as bat. You can click up here. And group bat. I don't ignore that part. That's just was a precursor for when I was working on it. You won't need that. If you see a part of a bat that you can tell is a bat, just use bat. You can also tell that this up here is a bat, and probably won't move between frames, so I'll go shape. And I think that looks like it's a group of bats, so we're gonna make that is a group of bats. We should do shape though, because this one we know that this next one's coming up that makes it hard to see that off. So when we want to make it to where turn off a track, you either right click it or click this and switch to outside property. That'll take it off. Next frame, by clicking F, go F or D to go forward or back a frame, like this. Or we can also do up here. We'll go back here, we'll go track that out, that as well, track this. I want to keep it relatively close, but there can be a little bit of wiggle room. This, I think that's a normal bat, so we'll just go back. Look if there's any other bats in this frame, so we click forward one, good shape there. So bat, track. Oh, as you can see, a bat is now moving out of the group, and at that point, we're going to want to make this a bat shape that's kind of just the bat leaving. Okay, there's a lot more in here. Now, as we can see that there's something right here, you can kind of tell that's a bat, so we're going to put that as a shape right here. You can also click N to make a new shape, which is very useful. So we'll go N, run this, N, run this. It looks like there is maybe something here. So we'll go X on that. Next frame. See, most of them are gone. There is now a new single bat here. And we'll go N again. Now, I think what we're going to want to do is go back to this frame, and then we're going to want to turn this into outside property and make this just a single bat. We'll go, we're gonna shape here. Another one around here. Around this one. There's a bunch here. See, like the shape right here. Generally, the rule of thumb is if you can tell it's a bat by just looking at the frame, or maybe like a little bit of movement, then like you're probably good. This one over here is a little small, but you can kind of tell it's a bat, just in the shape of it. Maybe make this one a bit smaller. I'm gonna keep it kind of close. You don't want to have too much wiggle room. Oh, as we can see, we have shifted frames. You can see we are now for the day, almost an hour later. These are all gone. And turn all these to offside properties. Looks like there's a bunch of individual groupings. I can't tell if that's a bat, so I'm gonna leave that for next. Let's go forward a bit. No, I think that's just a weird angle for that rock. So instead we're gonna go bats and we're gonna track. This looks to be, I see a couple ears here. Also a couple grouping here. Here, and I think that one is a single bat. Oh, yeah, see they have moved, so we can move these around. Make sure that you go back to previous frame to make sure that they haven't moved too much if they're tracking, but this didn't. Yeah, we're just consistently the camera's angle is slightly changing on this one, but isn't too much work. Oh, another big hour change, I think. So we're gonna get rid of this, or this, or this, and make this develop this whole thing. It doesn't affect this at all. Go track here, like a bat here, a bat here, and we're gonna there's a shape of a bat here, right here. Well, as I think, see, you guys want to make sure you always have a good view of the whole thing because there is a bat right here. Movement. Maybe want to move this down a little bit for this frame. That's and a little bit right here. Well, is that gotten away? Oh, there's still a bat there for that one, but a lot. As you can see, it's pretty repetitive. It's a pretty repetitive task, but it does help the AI learn what a bat is. And like already the small train, but it's more like learning the environments, what's a rock crevice and what isn't. Okay. I will. So we're gonna. I don't want to do this whole thing with you here. You don't want to sit here and watch me do this forever. But let's just quickly move this around. This is a group right here. This looks to be a bat here. This, we're gonna make outside. New bat right here. We're gonna go group of bats. One singular bat there. Now I can show you how to just quick export, how to do it. Bam, bam, bam. So when you're done with it, I'm not done with it right now, but if I were done with it, click right down here and click finish job. But you want to save frequently. Just click down here when you want done, finish job. It'll make the job marked as complete. That way you know it's done. You can get to all your current jobs by going up here as you click save. Go to jobs, and then these are all your current jobs. Those have not been complete yet, but they're job for it anyway. I mean, they're already done due to them being empty. Now, when you want to export a project to the AI, you're going to want to go into here, new data, you're going to want to actions in the corner, and export data set. Down here, I want to scroll all the way down, or not all the way down, but minorly down to YOLO detection 1.0. Save the images, put the custom name whatever you want the set to be, and useful settings, and click OK, and it'll export it for you. And then once it's done exporting it in the proper format, you can download it. It's all done in CVAT. You can use it in other platforms. There's plenty of tutorials on how to download CVAT, or you can use their online web platform. If you use their online web platform, you are going to need to pay a subscription fee for a certain amount of times you want to export. On you. That's how to do it. On my other video, I've showed you how to take that and then, of course, take your next steps and properly format the data set and then upload to the AI for training. Anyway, hopefully this is a big help for you. I'm hoping this showed you the proper way of doing it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot.